Wait, hold on. Is that Mustafa?
Is that Mustafa?
Yo, he's big.
Is that Davian?
Bro, I heard Mustafa was his mom's underwear. That's crazy. Let's take a picture of him. Get a picture. Get a picture. Do that. Yeah, get a picture. Let's take a picture of him.
Oh yeah, do that.
Get a picture of this dude.
What is he doing? He's such a nerd.
He looks like a turtle, bro.
Oh, God. No way.
Let's go. Just to double check.
Damn, I'm about to send this out to everybody.
Dude, that's so bad.
Oh my God, Mustafa, look what they sent about you.
What? Why?
It's not even funny.
I know, but don't worry, you'll handle it.
How?
Yeah, Mustafa, look. So this is how life works.
Oh, it's so nice. I'm not even
Exactly, yeah. But don't worry.
I bet y'all saw that picture.
Stop, man.
That was so funny, man.
Stop it.
Look at these lame glasses. Look at this dude. Yeah, bro.
Nah.
Watch your haircut, dude. Yo, you've been wearing these since last year. You've been wearing these since
Broke
7th
boy.
grade.
Mustafa, you go, I'm gonna talk to them.
Get
Go,
out.
you
Look
go.
at him walking alone. He's so
Please
goofy.
don't hurt his feelings, you know. Yasmin Felicia.
He's so dumb.
He's a poor
That's
guy.
your friend? How do you
How are
consider
you
him a
friends
friend?
with the guy like this?
You know, he's also a human, so please don't hurt.
You could do better. You sure about that? He don't look like one.
Yeah, that's
Look at him.
You look like he's kicked off Planet X, yo.
That's just leave him alone, you know. Just
Whatever, bro. He's still ugly and he's a nerd.
Yeah, whatever.
He's
Just
still
get
gonna be the
away.
loser he is.
I don't
Go to your lame friend. Go to your lame friend.
You know, just get away from here, okay? Just leave him alone.
Alright, whatever, bro.
Come on, Mustafa. You know, they should have not do that. You're gonna get over it. Don't worry, I'm gonna go over for you. I'll talk to her. Good, Yekta.
Bro, what is this? What? Like, they posted it to everyone.
They even you even have it?
Yeah. Literally everyone in school.
They should not do that.
What the heck? What happened?
They're bullying me for no reason. They're just taking pictures on me.
They were so annoying. Oh my God, what were they on about?
Did you do anything to them in the first place?
Of course.
Another one of Hey, let's go bully the two. What's wrong with you guys? You guys are such nerds.
What type
There's
of
another one of you guys?
Yo, bro, chill
You
out.
guys are
How many one of y'all are there?
How are you finding friends,
Guys,
man?
please stop. Please.
No, we're not friends. I don't even consider you human.
Guys,
Let's all just relax, you know.
Leave us alone, please, man. What have
Why don't you
done
guys
to
get
me?
a life?
I know, right? Just leave us alone.
You guys are alone.
Why don't you guys just leave us
Where do you
alone?
think you're going? Come back here.
Hey, come here.
Man, leave us alone.
Hey, man. How are you caught with these people?
How are you friends with girls?
I'm not even their friends.
So what are you doing here?
I was just sitting there and they came up with me. I just wanted to know what was going on.
All right.
I'm not involved
Then
with
get
this.
out of here.
Don't come back, loser.
Weirdo.
But I'm so disappointed that they're bullying me. Because we are classmates and we are friends. I don't know why they're still bullying me.
Yeah, just bro, try to forget them. How about we just go to a restaurant or disco in your life?
Of course, man. I'm not there. You need to eat some food.
Exactly, yeah. We go to that. Then next, I mean this year we have to like focus on the AT.
Of course, man. Are you doing it?
Yeah. Check out one, I guess.
I'm doing two. I think
I think for medical major they need like 2 repeats and an SAT.
yeah, I think that's No, Ethan.
Got him again.
Who sent me a snap again, man? What the hell?
Yo, look what Mustafa sent me, man.
Wait, what does he mean I want to talk a bit?
Man, I was just thinking, man, you should look, talk to him. I kind of feel bad now.
Alright, bro, just for y'all, I'll talk to him. Alright, guys, let's go talk to him.
Alright.
Alright, bro, so tell me what you wanted to talk about.
Man, I'm very tired of this bullying. But while you guys are texting me and sending photos of me and making fun of me, the whole school has my photos and everybody is talking about it. Please, let's put an end and be friends.
Alright, man. I'm only accepting this because of my friends and stuff. So, friends?
Yes, man, thank you.
Geliyor bak kalem kaşlı Zeybelinde gülde takmış Aldı benden
My brother from another mother, yes.